Hello there and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing some decorating with you as part of the Fall Hop Around the House collab hosted by Nicole Northgaren Home and Garden. We'll be decorating both the front porch and the entryway together. It should be fun, so let's go ahead and get started. We'll start outside and work on the front porch first. There are several very talented creators participating in today's hop. We're all decorating a space in our home to share with you, so I hope that you will take advantage of the link that I have down in the description box when you're done watching my video today. The link will take you to the next video in today's hop, and just keep following the links provided in each video, and eventually you'll make your way back to my channel. These hop around videos are always so much fun and so full of inspiration. I always get excited when asked to participate in one, so I'm hoping that you will enjoy it as much as I do. Let's move inside now and decorate this entry table as well. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you found just a little inspiration for your own fall decor as well. Make sure to use the link in the description box to take you to the next video in today's hop. Thanks so much for watching today, friends, and I will see you soon. Bye now.